Welcome to my channel Take Tic Tac Toe. Today we will solve a program in Python. Here the problem is write a program to create a dictionary with name, roll number and marks of n students in a class. So we will have to take these numbers from terminal. Then display name of the student who have at least 75% marks. So now we will first initialize a dictionary named student. Then we will take the input, how many number of students in a class. So this is our initialization of input n. It is an integer variable, and as we know that input will always give us a string input, so we have to convert it into int. So n equal to int of input, enter the number of student, so it will input from terminal. Then we will create the student dictionary. So for I in range n, so for number of n we have to input the name, roll number and marks. So these are as string, name and roll number, and marks in integer, so we have to convert it into integer. Now for each step we will consider this as update. So this is a blank dictionary. Here we will update the student file. So student.update roll number equal to key, and then the value will be another dictionary, so it is a nested dictionary. So name equal to name, here we get the name. So here the key value pair is name equal to name and marks equal to marks here. So these are the keys and these are the values. So this is a nested dictionary where roll number is the key and this is the value for each student. Then name equal to name and marks equal to marks. Then for we have to check if the student gets 75% marks or not. For I in student.keys, so here student.keys we will check if marks the value of ith student, the marks of ith student is greater than 75 or not. So as it is a nested dictionary, so we have to take two third bracket. So this will be index of student and then this value will be from the nested dictionary. So marks of each student is greater than 75, then print student's name. So let's try what will happen. Number in a class, we take 2 for giving short name. So short input, so name is A, roll number is 1 and he got marks 96. Student's name BB, roll number is 2 and marks got 56. So student A will be the output. So student A will be the output. Another example, 3 A, roll number 2, marks 96, marks 66, name BB, roll 3, marks 99. Now CC 4 and marks 86. So it is the output BB and CC. So student BB and CC got the marks above 75. So this is our program. You will try it first. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will give it in the description portion of this video. So from this question try to do it on your own, then see the answer. If you like this video, share with your friends and press the like button. Thank you for watching this video.